how to use the SVG in Design Space. I've already uploaded the SVG, so I'm going to add it to the canvas. The first step, always to ungroup this purple piece right here and these two white pieces. The purple is for the cover, and these white pieces are a place to write the message on the inside. You don't have to use them if you don't want to. Close that just to make it a little bit smaller. We can go ahead and highlight these three lines here. One, I'm going to hold down my Shift key, two, and see these three lines on Happy Birthday? And then change them to score. For the purple piece, that's the center twist and pop mechanism. So go ahead and click attach. Close that so you can just make it a bit smaller, easier to look at. The second one is the card cover. Attach that one and close it. And then the part that some people are having a little bit of trouble with are the happy birthday message. So the first step here is to ungroup it. Okay, and now you can see that we have these three lines, which I have already changed to score. You can see up here it's score. Okay, so all of these layers need to be flattened. So I'm going to hold down my Shift key and just highlight all of them. If you tried to cut each individual layer out of a different color, it would be really, really thick, so it wouldn't fold and pop out very well. So when you have them all selected, just hit the flatten button. And that takes it right to the top. You can see here we still have those three lines, which I have already turned to score lines. And I just drag those all the way to the top up here. And now hold down the Shift key again. So select the print and cut and attach it. And now we are ready to make it. You can see we have the happy birthday with the score lines. We have the cover, the twist and pop mechanism, and the front and inside covers. So if we click make it, it's all ready to go. Here is our print and cut. All right, let's do it.